I'm James, I'm 24, I was born in Abergavenny and I now live in Chester with my wife. I was inspired to sign up when a friend of mine at university got leukemia. We were hoping that we would find a donor for, obviously, my friend. We didn't, but ultimately we did find a donor for someone. The person who needed my bone marrow found me. I wish it would have been a harder experience because it would have sounded more impressive when I tell people about it, but actually it was really easy. I like the stories of normal people and social history. One of the interesting things is finding out how people's courses through history change and weave and everything. And for me, it was a great experience to imagine that someone's life didn't end when it could have done. Their path changed because of something I was able to do for them. I was able to keep them going and write another chapter or another book in their life story. I tell everybody about my donation. It was such a good feeling knowing that I was needed for this patient. I'm very happy to have been that person for someone. I think about them quite a bit. The idea that they were able to have one more Christmas, one more birthday, one more year out of me, and potentially more. It's an unbelievable feeling to save a life without actually having to expend much effort. There's no physical effort, it's not stressful, just go for it. Sign up your next time you're doing blood donation, do a swab, whatever's easier.